मैं जानता हूँ कि there are a lot of courses and you can do the education, you can take the education to become a director. See, you can teach technicality, how the process work, how we have to structure it. But I genuinely don't feel I can make my son a director by teaching them how to direct. It's something that comes from top. I think it's there in your blood or it's not there. So there is also a lot of misconception that people feel that everybody can direct. I can make you a director. I can give you that credit. I can make you, चलो आपने बना दिया, मैंने आपको घुमा फिरा के वहाँ पे पहुँचा दिया. But director बनना ये अपने आप में होता है. जिसको बनना है वो बन जाएगा. और दूसरी चीज़ जो आप कह रहे हो उसमें क्या हो रहा है ना, people are following a pattern. They are following a rule set right now. I will become a DA, I'll become an intern, then I'll become a second, then I'll become whatever third, then उसके बाद second, then probably I'll become an associate. Associate के बाद शायद मुझे पहली फिल्म मिलेगी. ये प्रोसेस में ना आप अगर रियली टैलेंटेड हो तो आप इस प्रोसेस में आपके करीबन 8 से 10 साल लूज करोगे. You're losing 8-10 years. By the time I've seen so many people who are in this circle, every time I meet them and ask them, what are you doing right now? No, I'm writing a script. I meet them 5 years later, they'll say the same thing, I'm writing my script. Because you get in the comfort zone later on. You almost realize, अच्छा मेरे को per month check तो आ रहा है. तो आपकी जो driving, it's again an insurance. The problem which I mentioned before, it becomes an insurance. So your step becomes your destination. And you forget that the destination was somewhere else. You probably had to rise there. But that takes a lot of risk. That takes a lot of. I've been screamed at upon. Everybody doubted me when my journey was going on. I literally turned down something like, a project like Ashwathama that time, being just associated with it in some or the other way, which I don't even know what it was when I went to meet Aditya for the first time. So people are like, but you don't have work. You are not earning anything right now. So how can you do that? If you are getting something, just take it, no matter what. And the struggle is not in going out and meeting people and getting rejection or this thing. Struggle is आप घर आते हो ना वापस. घर आप अपना Facebook ओपन करते हो या देख रहे हो, आपके दोस्त ने गाड़ी खरीद ली है, आपके दोस्त ने बड़ा BHK 2 BHK का फ्लैट खरीद लिया है. वहाँ पे स्ट्रगल है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आप कंपैरिजन करके ना इजीली कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे आपको लगेगा छोड़ यार मेरे को गाड़ी तो चाहिए, उसकी तो गाड़ी है, अब एक काम करता हूँ, ये कर लेता हूँ काम. तो हो गई ना बात, वहीं पे ख़त्म हो गई. आपने दिखा दिया आप कहाँ जा सकते हो वहीं पे. सो पीपल हु जेन्युइनली हैव टैलेंट नीड टू बी वेरी टाइम बाउंड. दे हैव टू फिगर आउट, मैं 3 साल ये करूँगा, 3 साल के बाद मुझे कितना भी बड़ा काम मिले एज अ असिस्टेंट और एज अ DA, कितना भी पैसा मिले, मुझे मेरा ड्रीम चेस करना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज नोबडी इज वेटिंग देयर फॉर यू कि आई विल गिव यू अ चांस एंड यूल बिकम अ डायरेक्टर. सो 90% और 95% दे लूज द ट्रैक राइट इन दैट जर्नी इटसेल्फ.